Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to use base station. Operational procedures are as follows. Long press the power button to power on. Check whether the mod indicator light is off. If the mod light is blue and long bright, long press the mod switch to turn it off. Place the base station in an open high place with no obstruction above. Wait for the base station to search for the star to locate the position. After the base station finishes searching for the star, there will be a beeping sound and the mod light will flash. The specific steps to connect to the drone are as follows. Start the Agri Assistant app, tap Measuring Flight. Then tap Settings in the top right corner and choose the position. Tap Data Transmission Module and change the RTK data source to Cellular Tower. Wait until the drone connects to base station. The drone will match with base station automatically. When the connection is ready, we can mark pints and fly. That's all for today's tutorial. Subscribe us to unlock more crop protection skills.